Happy Monday, Castle family. This is Amanda and Katrina with this week's Castle Communication, where we're breaking barriers and building futures. To start with some updates, CAS testing finished last Friday. If you see any 3rd through 6th graders, please high five him or her on a job well done for testing.
All right, and then we are in the middle of our end of year district testing. I know the kids are probably fatigued from CAS, but please encourage them to do their best. We have the STAR reading and math window that is open for 1st through 6th grades. Our DIBELS testing is underway. And then we have our ELA and math interim 4 window opening, and we'll be looking at that to see the growth from the beginning of the year.
We have Bonnie McGrath on campus this week. She will be working with lead teachers all day tomorrow and with Katrina and I today.
All right, and then we have a Camp Keep meeting for the 5th and 6th graders who will be attending Summer STEAM and Camp Keep on Tuesday, the 22nd at 9. There, they'll review the rules for packing and cabin selections.
This Wednesday, you will have your PLC time to finish your leveling cards and to work on CUMEs. Those are all due on Wednesday.
All right, and then our first awards ceremony begins this Friday for 1st and 2nd grades. We have 2nd grade at 9 a.m. in the cafeteria and 1st grade at 10.
All right, some reminders. Next Monday, the 28th, is our last school holiday, Memorial Day.
And then we have several awards assemblies next week. It's going to be very busy. So on the 29th, starting Tuesday, our Honorable Night Assembly is at 8:30 out on the blacktop. And then we have our 3rd grade awards at 9, 5th grade at 9:45, kindergarten at 1:30, and 4th grade at 2:15.
Our 6th graders will be honored on Wednesday, May 30th at 9 a.m. This will be a long awards ceremony, so please plan for about an hour and a half at that ceremony.
And then we have end of year parties next week as well. On the 30th, we have 1st and 4th grades having their end of year party.
And also on the 30th, we have Sharda Hoag's baby shower at 3:20 in the library.
And then on the 31st, we have the end of year parties for TKK, 2nd and 3rd grade. Thank you, teachers, for planning all of that.
And then we have the last day of school, Friday, June 1st. Primary will dismiss at 11:35 and intermediate will dismiss at 12:05. Please stay with your students until everybody has been picked up. And then following intermediate dismissal, we will have our end of year staff party.
All right, some shout outs. Becky Baker had an outstanding musical performance with her Barnyard Musical. Great job, Becky.
A big thank you to Kim, Jackie, Bree, and Jill for their continued support during testing, helping kids finish up all of their makeup tests.
And then thank you to all of our teachers for doing such a wonderful job at Open House. We had an amazing turnout.
Congratulations to Kristen Galletta and Lauren LaRoque, who graduated last Thursday with their master's degree. Great job, ladies.
And then thank you to Kim, Bree, and Jill for helping during Open House and covering some classrooms.
Thank you to Amanda Goodwin for supporting the office last week in Natalie's absence.
And then thank you to our specialists, Jamie, Shannon, Misty, Emilio, Cody, Tony, and Becky for their continued work on our summer school curriculum.
And thank you to Kim for her support with Summer STEAM, making the classes and help keeping everything organized for Camp Keep.
And then thank you to Shelley for helping with sub coverage on Friday.
All right, guys, thanks for listening. Remember our 3 school priorities: math, collaboration, and positive school culture. Have a great week.